Other gang, just working down here at the mall today. Just wanted to show you some of my grafted mango trees that Brother Gianti Nan will graft for me. And it's been 2 years now, and we've just started harvesting fruit this past year. So yeah, grafting is the way to go. But I can't recall what variety this is, but it's either a Raposa, a Keat. I can tell by the growth it's not a Mapulehu, but I do have some Mapulehus, and Golden Glow. But if I had to guess, I would say that this is a Raposa variety, a hybrid of a Hayden mango. I don't know what the cross was, but I know Hayden was in there. Anyway, today I came over here, we clean around, and as you can see on the ground, we throw some vetiver down, just for the guy, mulch them. And then, but what I really wanted to show you guys was the basic pruning technique of basically almost any fruit tree, the bowl, what they call the bowl pruning technique, where you leave the interior of the tree, you prune out the branches so that the sun can come in. Very common, basic pruning. But as you can see where I cut off the branches, which is all on the interior here, because they are all growing inwards. Yeah, so these are the ones that I cut off. You can see where these are. These are growing inwards towards the interior of the tree, and you want to remove all those branches that's growing on towards the interior, so that you can open up the middle to have more sunshine come in. This one I didn't do heavy pruning, but I just opened it up a little bit because the trees are still relatively pretty young, but they're doing well. As you can see in the background of this, you'll see a purple kind of cane looking grass. That's known as a banana grass, part of the Napier grass family. But I planted the trees here just to give it a little protection from the wind. We do plan to plant another type of windbreak on the windward side of this crop, and that'll help our wind mitigate the wind down here. But normally you come in here during the winter months and you will do your pruning, get it ready for the flowering season. However, this season was kind of weird because so a lot of the fruit trees are flowering a little early, but they're probably due to the impact of climate change around the world, but that's what I'm guessing. But yep, this is one of, I think I have about 150 trees now of mango trees. And yep, that's about it. Alrighty, aloha.